Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. This is a rear entry, manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. It's got these clamps, you got a pinch there, flip her over. These clamps keep the ramp from rattling. It's a great design. It's got a handle on the driver and passenger side. You can take this down using only my index finger. That light, very easy to do. Tell our customers if you can lift a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate one of these ramps with ease. The ramp is 34 inches wide, which is about 4 inches wider than a side entry, leaves you a little bit more room. It does taper down to 32 inches there at the base where the ramp sets. Has 8 tie down points, so you can get 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher. Got the rear air controls, headliner looks good. Between these second row of seats here, there's about 21 inches of room. Usually a chair, the legs will sit between it, the bottom will sit just behind it. If you need more room, we can always remove a seat. We've got seats that'll flip up on their side. So tell us what works for you, tell us what you need. There's no one size fits all, but let us know how we can help. Give us some measurements, we can give you some options. The dash looks great. Steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road. Has the backup camera along with the Bluetooth connect, auxiliary port, dual climate control, rear air, plenty of cup holders, plenty of plugs. And when you get everybody secured, and we do give 1 free set of pull tight shoe straight tie downs away, brand new set with each van. Look at that, 1 finger, put it back up, reverse the process. I've just operated this entire conversion using only 2 fingers. Very easy to do, very low cost to maintain. It's not like those electric ramps and doors that are really expensive to work on. Give it a good slam and you're ready to go. Tinted windows in the rear. The paint still looks really good. It's got 4 Firestone tires on it. The rear tires are about 8/32, so darn near brand new. The front tires are about 5/32, so they're fair. Paint looks good. Whoever's had this van is taking great care of it, I can tell. There's a few, looks like bug marks from a bug from hitting the bumper. Bugs, probably a lot of highway miles on this van. It happens, but I'm just showing that to you so you can check those out. Overall, very clean. Looks good inside and out. The body's super clean. I do see one tiny little door dinging about right there, about probably the size of a dime. Interior of the van is very clean. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in here. We always show you the VIN number there. That way you know we have this van in our possession. We're not pulling some internet scam. And speaking of that VIN number, on our website, we do a free Carfax with each vehicle. You can see this van. No accidents or damage, 1 owner, 15 service records, last owned in California. You could not ask for a much better Carfax on a used vehicle. Carfax guarantees there is no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon. Brands on the title, guarantees no total loss, no structural damage, airbags have never been deployed, odometer checks out well, no accidents, no open recalls, and does show the service records. Whoever had this van serviced it out the backside, which is great. They've taken great care of this van, so that's why we go the extra mile to show you exactly what you're getting. As far as the rest of the interior of the van is very clean. Like I said, no unusual odors of smoke or anything like that. Headliner looks good. The back seats look just fine. Like I said, you got your rear air controls. You got two keys come with the van. Got the keyless entry. See the current mile is 79,165. Van fires right up. No check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS, so none of the dummy lights are on. And we've also, like I said, the backup camera. I've got 4 mechanics that work for me. We test these vans out. We do everything big and small. We test the power windows, power locks, heat, air, cruise, all the mirrors. Everything on this van seems to work just fine. But that's why we make these videos, so you can see. You don't have to guess that these things work. We can show you they work. So let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly. No signs of any damage, no signs of any accidents. Has your emission sticker right there as well. Very clean. I don't see any leaks. This is exactly what we're looking for. Underneath the van, much of the same. I don't see any bent metal. I don't see any signs of any leaks. I don't see any signs of any flood damage. You know, that's the #1 mistake people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because it looks nice in pictures. They assume because the salesman was nice to them. They assume that it runs and drives good. They assume there's no issues. They assume that it's not all rusted out. And if you'll notice our competition, go ahead, go look at their website. Go check it out. How often do they show you the undercarriage down here? Never. Well, the reason is they buy a lot of these vans from New York, Chicago, up the north, northeast. They're all rusted out. And they convert them or whatever, and they sell them to you, and you're never going to know about it until you start having problems with rust issues and brake lines rusting through and things like that, or ones that have been in accidents or flood damage. So, you know, if someone's going to ask you to spend $10, $20, $30, $40, $50,000 on a mobility van and to buy it sight unseen, tell them to get off their behind, get out and make you a detailed video like this. And if they won't do it, who are you buying from and what are they really trying to sell you? And when that van does show up to your house and it's not what you're expecting, when it's got a bunch of issues they didn't tell you about, well, you only have yourself to blame because you didn't take my advice. Someone that's been doing this for 10 years, you didn't demand a detailed video. So with that being said, let's get it out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vans out on the test drive, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence, we've made sure that it's roadworthy. Steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Very clean van, runs and drives great. With that being said, please understand this is a used vehicle. We strongly recommend a very affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. Now protect your investment, folks. You go to gas there, it pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. Got the cruise control set, cruise works good. And keep in mind, I know there's a lot of dealers out there selling mobility vans and even individuals. Keep in mind, on eBay, we have over 800 transactions. All 800 people left us positive feedback. It's 800 people said we did them right. 0 people said we did them wrong. I'd say that's a pretty strong case that we're very reputable. Last I saw on Google reviews, we have 4.7 out of 5 stars. Another great rating for us. The point is, nobody in the country, and I mean nobody, goes the extra mile to show you exactly what you're getting like affordable mobility. We make these videos, we pay extra money so you can see the Carfax. We've got a great reputation. So if you're just going to go out and buy from a random person off the street or from another dealer and you don't research them, just cross your fingers and hope it works out, well, good luck to you on that one. So also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers online have a real nice price on the internet. Then you factor in a $500 administrative fee, then a dock fee, then a tag fee, and fees and fees and fees. Next thing you know, and then shipping. Next thing you know, that real nice price is now $3,000 or $4,000 higher than you thought it was going to be. Nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So drives just like we want it to. And what I was getting at with the fees, though, if someone's not going to be honest with me, if they tell me the price is $10,000. And then I get in there and they start talking about all these fees they're not telling me about. And next thing you know, it's $11,000. Well, if someone's hiding something, hiding money from us, from you, from me, off the bat, what else are they hiding? Are they hiding title issues? Are they hiding mechanical issues? They're hiding flood. But if someone's not going to be honest and straight up right off the bat, you have to ask yourself, what else are they hiding? So that's for you to think about, but that's not how I do business. Also, if you would like to see our entire inventory, www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone. We can take an application over the phone. We can send an application to your email. So let us know how we can help. We're always happy to do so. And if you'd like to give me a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text, 316-518-4377. You now have the owner's cell phone number. I am the owner. I want you to try one of those big companies like Mobility Works or Freedom Motors or one of the big VMI or Braun companies, and I want you to say, hey, I want the owner's cell phone number. That way if I ever have an issue, I can reach out directly to the owner. I don't have to call, be put on hold, go to somebody's voicemail and never get a call back. Are you committed enough to customer service to give me the owner's cell phone number? Do you want to be a number or do you want to be a person? So that's for you to decide, but I'm going to treat you like a person. If you need me, I'm here for you. So as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions. Where mobility is affordable, call me today.